na sila nga kang cellphone. Ika sa Delta niya pa American Airlines kay Anuban so DFP
where the crowds will cheer when they see my face, and a voice keeps saying, this is where I'm meant to be. I'll be there someday. I can go the distance, I will find my way. If I can be strong, I know every mile will be worth my while. When I go the distance, I'll be right where I belong. Down an unknown road to embrace my fate, though that road may wander, it will lead me to, and 1,000 would be worth the wait. It may take a lifetime, but somehow I'll see it through, and I won't look back. I can go the distance, and I'll stay on top. No, I won't accept defeat. It's an uphill slope, but I won't lose hope till I go the distance and my journey is complete. But to look beyond the glory is the hardest part, for our hero's death is measured by his heart. Often of the far off plains, now an unknown road to embrace my like a shooting star, I will go the distance, I will search the world, I will face its odds. I don't care how far, I can go the distance till I